Hello everybody! It's another unboxing video. And matagal na actually sa akin to. Napanalunan ko the last full moon and lunar eclipse nun. And I know lunar eclipse medyo marami sa atin naging anxious about it or afraid about it. But then with me, for me, it's a matter of your mind and how you're gonna transmute or shift your energy into something positive, which is proven effective. Because I won a giveaway. This box that I'm going to show you or naya-unbox natin is actually the prize that I won from Halamoms, Apothecary. And when I joined this giveaway, for some reason, sabi ko, nung una kasi giveaway nila, hindi ako nanalo. Pero sabi ko kasi nun, sabi ko kay DJ Macarena, kay Joy, sabi ko, if I'm not gonna win, I'll buy na lang. Which, I bought yung products niya. But then this time, sabi ko, sasali ako. Pero deep inside, sabi ko, I think this time I'm gonna win. Which made me realize na for us to really manifest, we have to focus on our goal, like, which is yung plan A, which is to win. You know, we win and then surrender. Kasi parang nangyari sa akin, kinontra ko yung, alam mo yun, small ang giveaway pero kinontra ko siya agad. Hindi pa siya nangyayari, kinontra ko na siya agad na, okay, pag di ako nanalo, bibili na lang ako. So yun nangyari. Hindi ako nanalo, humail na lang ako. But again, hindi naman siya palaging ganun ha. Like, syempre, hindi naman sabi, pag ganun ginawa nyo, lahat ng giveaway, mapapanalunan nyo na. So what's meant for you is, you won't miss. But for me, that's a realization that I wanted to share. Anyway, ang haba na ng intro ko. But again, so, I hope you picked up something from that experience. And by the way, I won this during the peak of the eclipse. And 444 kasi nag-draw si Joyce ng winner. And during that time, I'm eating my first meal of the day. I think that's my brunch habang nag-work ako. Tapos, for some reason, kita sa aking angel number ko, which is the 444 na angel number. And I was like, oh, I think something's coming or something good will happen. Hindi ko naalala na raffle draw niya pala. But just, surrender everything. And then maya-maya, after siguro mga 5-6 minutes, tinag na nila ako na ako yung naging grand prize winner. And sobrang saya ko. Sobrang grateful. And I was like, oh my gosh, it just really proves that, you can make things happen. And if you shine your light from within, walang eclipse, walang anything that can hinder you from shining your light and spreading love to the world. Diba? Positivity. So, ingat na ako, sinasugat ako last time. So, anyway. May name ko pa. Ayan. Tada! Ayan. Alam niyo itong mga products na to, siya talaga mismo yung gumagawa. And these are all intuitively handcrafted and charged. So, hindi lang siya yung the ordinary na mga products because these are intuitively handcrafted. So, siya talaga yung gumagawa. And charge niya depende sa energy mo or sa ano yung feel niya na kailangan mo na energy. And with healing, Reiki healing and all. So, siya, custom made just for you. So if you wanna try their products, go na guys sa Halamoms Apothecary. Okay. Grabe, naamoy ko na agad. Oh! Ito yung, I think this is the serum. Sorry, malapit kasi ako sa yun yung serum. Buksan natin. Ito yung letter natin. Ay, hindi, sticker! May sticker! Sabi dito is, I am in great shape and grateful to my body for healing. Ayan. And next naman, I'm willing to listen what my body is telling me. Ayan. So, sticker siya. Sakto kasi lalagay ko to sa journal ko. Pag nag-journal ako, later. So, ayan. Ayan, mayroon ding, ito yung mga instructions, guys. How to use, important note, giving it back to the source. Ayan. And ito, may marami mas bango. Ayan, mga more details. Oh, Hala, dalawa yung pinadala niya sa akin for oily skin and for sensitive skin. This is for oily skin. This is their Aura Facial Serum. Ayan, guys. Siya talagang gumawa nito. Siya mismo. Tapos, ayan. Hindi ko masyadong mabasa yung nasa likod, pero may instructions naman nakasama. So, I'll update you pag nagamit ko na. Sakto to. Ay, tumubo ba? Ang bango. Alam mo yung oh my gosh, I love the energy of this. Thank you so much, sis. Oh my gosh. Alam mo yung grabe, damang-damo ko yung pagmamahal niya nung ginawa niya to. This one naman is for sensitive skin. Ang ganda din. Bottle pa lang. Oh, ito naman medyo pink. Ang bango. Sobrang bango. So, ayan. Sakto, papamper tayo later. So, ayan. Yung kanilang Aura Facial Serum, guys. Check them out. Meron silang iba't ibang variants. Depende sa inyong skin type, kung anong kailangan nyo. And again, it will be intuitively charged for you. Tapos, meron din sila nitong hilod. Ayan. Sakto din. Kasi cleansing tayo before new moon. So, this is Kitchen Magic Scrub for the face and for the body. And this is also detoxifying. So, isa na natin. Oh, ang sarap na feeling. Sobrang nakaka-relax siya. Ayan o. I'm out of words. Sobrang sarap ng energy niya. Oh. Ay. Yan, nakapagsalita. Sobrang, oh my gosh. Sobrang salamat. Sobrang maraming salamat. And then, meron din tayong Luwalhati Yoni Steam Blend of healing herbs and flowers. Ito naman, guys, yung Yoni Steam, you know, or it's a girl thing. And meron din instructions on how to use this. Ito, maganda din siya pang cleanse. Ano mo yun? Marami din siyang healing benefits. Ayan. Excited ako dito din. Sobrang excited ako dito. And kailangan ko to. Tapos, nakipag-collab siya with The Alchemist or from The Alchemist on Facebook and Instagram. Ayan. Maraming salamat din po. Ito pala din yung naaamoy ko kahit nakabox siya. Tada! Ayan. Sobrang gusto ko yung mga ganito eh. Vulnerability is my strength, not my weakness. My openness attracts those who are beneficial to my highest good. When I lean into my feelings, I am honoring my truth. When I communicate my feelings in a loving way, I am speaking in truth. I am open. I love it. Thank you. So, ito yung Icaros Mist. This is Smudge Spray, Cleansing, Protection, Purification, and Grounding. And this is 4 ounce. So, ayan siya. Mix natin. Meron din Ceremonially Charged. Ayan. Ito din mga products nila is Ceremonially Charged and Brewed Handcrafted on full moon with crystals and high frequency mantra for utmost sanctification. Yan. Invoke spirit with a prayer or mantra. Ask that your aura be cleansed. Ganyan. And then spray. Spray nyo lang siya. Perfect to, guys. Lalo na dun sa mga hindi or sensitive sa smoke. Like yung smoke cleansing. If ayaw nyo nagbe-burn ng sage, ng incense, you can opt for an alternative, which is yung mga smudge sprays. And you can try this one from The Alchemist. Spray natin. Spray natin kayo. Nakaka-relax siya and uplifting yung energy niya. Alam mo, pag stress ka sa work, kailangan mo ng cleansing or gusto mo mag-relax and mag-cleanse ng space. This is perfect. You cleanse yung aura mo and all. Sensual Serene for calming senses. Essential oils, lemongrass, peppermint, ginger, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. Ayan. For calming. And meron siyang crystal din. Ayan. I think, aventurine ba? Or, yeah. It's green. Yeah, parang aventurine. If hindi ako nagkakamali. Oh, kailangan. Ang bango. Alam mo yung na-tame niya yung lemongrass. So, sobrang ganda ng blending ng lemongrass and peppermint and ginger. Ako kasi guys, mahiluin ako. Lalo na pag nasa biyahe, madali ding sumakit yung ulo ko. Recently nga lang ako hindi masyado inaatake ng migraine because I've been consistently meditating. Ay, salamat! Ang bango! Gosh. And lastly, meron tayo nitong collab with Lab, Banig at iba pa. Ito, meron tayong magandang face mask. Alab.banig. Ayan. Buksan natin. Nakaseal siya, guys. So, ayan. Buksan naman natin. Oh, may kasama na siyang filter, PM 2.5. And, ayan. Pouches were carefully washed, air-dried, and UV sanitized before packing. Everything you see inside up to our packaging were UV sanitized for your protection as well. So, ang ganda! Ayan, oh. Tapos dito may lalagay yung filter. Perfect to guys para ma-avoid din natin yung mga disposable na face mask. Tapos palitan na lang natin yung filter para maka-save din tayo ng mabawasan natin yung carbon footprint natin, lalo na ngayon nag-pandemic. Aside sa face mask, sobrang laganap yung, of course, yung online shopping, di ba? Wala naman din tayong choice, pero at least somehow, let's try to do our best to reduce our waste and use ng mga plastic and anything that's disposable. So, ito natin. Ay, ang ganda! Na-adjust din siya, may pang-adjust din. Ito na lang yan. Kasi may ko. Ang ganda. Tapos, siya, hindi siya yung, may na-try kasi yung mask before na parang medyo mahirap huminga. Ito is very breathable. Yan. And maganda siya. Tapos, makapal din siya. Tapos, makapal na nga siya. Pwede mo pa siyang lagyan ng filter. Tapos, na-fold siya na ganyan. So nice! Paano pala? Mali yata. Yan, ganyan pala. And maraming salamat sa mga, of course, sa mga sumali din sa giveaway nila. And also to Halamoms Apothecary, from The Alchemist, and to Alab.banig. Ayan. So, if you wanna check them out, ilalagay ko na lang. Itatag ko sila sa description nitong video na to. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check our caption and follow us, follow me, and also yung mga brands na nagpadala ng mga to. Maraming salamat. This is Gen-zel reminding you to always choose to be kind and gentle and start with yourself.